I'm sure parking here for just a minute won't bother anyone. That innocent little thought has created more awkward and hilarious situations than we can count. Welcome to Park Time, where we collect the most real-world lessons about parking etiquette and road culture. You'll see that sometimes frustration doesn't explode in shouting or confrontation. Instead, it shows up as subtle, clever, and unexpectedly funny acts of payback that leave the car owner with a lesson they won't forget. Watch along and see just how bold confidence in the wrong place can lead to some seriously flavorful consequences. The car's still there, just no longer on the ground. One glance at the layout and you know someone's stuck. They just don't know it yet. I can't even tell which car should apologize to which. That click must have echoed loud. One careless moment, one extra car wash. The sunlight isn't nearly as bright as the current situation. Two cars met, no appointment scheduled. I don't know where you plan to go, but definitely not down there. That wrapping job? Someone really committed to it. I honestly don't know how you measured that. The front car won't move, and the one behind won't negotiate. One look in those eyes, today wasn't the lucky day. The tow ramp is for loading cars, not for stress testing it. The white car committed fully, the ramp did not. Some people don't need words, just a gentle tap says enough. Someone clearly invested more time in this car than the owner did. Seeing that much water and still pushing forward, bold move. The way she's looking at that car, you can almost hear the dramatic soundtrack. The car isn't gone, but its freedom definitely is. Parked so wrong, it looks like an action movie surround scene. The bus stop probably didn't expect to be repurposed like this. That blue car definitely didn't sign up to be a launch pad. One look at the front end and you know someone trusted the gas pedal too much. That symbol on the ground makes it a little awkward. Just looking at it, you can tell the interior is in full panic mode. The local dog committee decided to run a full inspection. This is the park in formation and sync together strategy. No sticky note needed, just post the whole sign as a reminder. This is the park in formation and sync together strategy. The supermarket is crowded, but she's clearly the main character. One look at that water and every car looks confused. The car hasn't sunk completely, but the pride definitely has. Park wrong and meet the wrong hot-headed person. That's what happens. That gap alone tells you something's wrong. Snow is not a backup parking lot, my friend. The car rolls downhill while pedestrians just stand and watch. That angle definitely wasn't part of the original plan. He probably thought the car would just stay put on its own. That spot isn't hidden, it's just not meant for you. You can already tell someone's about to make a phone call. Fall may be here, but the drama is still blooming all over the street. When you park like you own the place, the actual owner decides to prove it. Parallel or diagonal doesn't matter, as long as you're comfortable, right? The driver in orange looks friendly, but his job definitely isn't. This isn't an accident, it's love at first bump. Crosswalk lines are for crossing, not for crossing someone's entire day. Just one car, and the whole parking lot is confused. You can tell a short but powerful speech is about to happen. That's not a cat. That's an automatic undercarriage inspection unit. From above, it looks like a high-level puzzle game. Watching that oversized vehicle try to reverse reminds me of my ex always backing up and somehow still causing damage. Take it slow out there, folks. No need to rush when you're behind the wheel. Anyone here ever been cut off like that? Sound off in the comments. And don't forget to hit subscribe to support Park Time.